Good day to everyone. I'm Ma'am Jovi. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to use the Java Unary Operators. Unary Operators. So the Unary Operators require only one operand. They perform various operations such as incrementing, decrementing a value by one, negating an expression, or inverting the value of a Boolean. The unary operators. Okay, this is the symbol for unary plus operator. It indicates a positive value. A symbol for unary minus operator. This negates an expression. For the increment operator, it is represented by a double plus sign. What it does, it increments the value by one. When we say increments, it adds the value by one, or sa wikang Pilipino, dinadagdagan niya ito ng isa. Okay, the next one is the decrement operator. It is represented by a double minus sign. So it decrements the value by 1. So decrement in wikang Pilipino is binabawasan. So whatever the value of a variable, babawasan niya ng isa. Okay? And then finally, the logical complement operator inverts the value of a Boolean. So if it is positive, it converts it into a negative. If it is a negative, it converts it into a positive based on its definition. Okay? Inverts in wikang Pilipino is binabaliktad niya yung value. Okay, so I have here a class named Unary Demo. This one demonstrates the functionality of the various unary operators that I explained a while ago. So here, the first variable here that I use is the num. It has the value of positive 1. Okay, so positive 1, what will be the output if I'm going to print? It is a number 1 because unary plus operator indicates a positive value. So this one is now a positive value. Okay, the next one is the unary minus operator. So I'm going to, that's unary, this one is minus. Okay, so the unary minus operator negates an expression. So I have here the variable res that will hold the value. So I put here negative c, negative c. So the value of z is 21. What it does rather is it puts a negative sign. So when you print this statement, when we print rather this statement, the value will now become negative 21. Okay, the next one is the increment operator. Okay, as the word increments, it adds value by 1 or it increments by 1. Sa Tagalog, dinadagdagan niya ng isa. If the original value is 5 and then we have this x plus plus, the output will become 6. Next, the decrement operator, of course, decrements a value by 1 or decreases a value of 1. Sa wikang Pilipino, binabawasan niya ng value ng isa. Okay, so the original value of y is 10. If I have y minus minus, then I use print ln to display y. Y will now become 10. Okay, the next one, the logical complement operator, inverts the value of a Boolean. So as we can see here, guys, the value of a ans variable is false. So Boolean ans is equals to false. So what will be the output of this? The original value is false. So when I display this one, it will appear false. However, if I'm going to print it this way with the logical complement operator, it will now turn into true. Okay, let us save and then run this one. And so I have Java. So Java Unary demo and then Java Unary demo C. Okay, let's display the code as well as the output. So, yan. Yeah, no? So the original value 1. So positive 1, still it will become positive. For the unary plus, for the unary minus, it will indicate a negative sign. And then for the increment operator, since the original value is 5, it will now turn into 6. Then the decrement operator decreases the value by 1. So 10 will now become 9. The original value of the ans variable is false. If we are going to put logical complement operator, of course, what it does is it will convert it into a true value because its function is it inverts the value of a boolean. So very clear, okay? Those are the functions of the different unary operators. I hope you learned something in this video. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. Before I'm going to end this up, I would like to say good day to everyone, especially to my grade 11 Acacia students. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.